Great. Let's do the hardest thing first, which is to set up your Google Gemini API key. You can learn more about keys on the API setup page. From inside the app, we can just click to go to API setup, or in the future, if you want to go there directly, the API button. We'll click on that. Scrolling down, you'll see this is where we'll be entering our key, which is just going to be a long list of characters. And then here are the instructions that I'm showing you now. What we'll want to do is say get Gemini API key. I'll open this up. I'm just choosing to do this in a different window. The first thing you'll have to do is use your Google account to go ahead and log in because you need a Google account. I'm using my Plus Ultra email address and now my password. And as you remember, Google accounts are free. This is the panel, which is quite confusing, I think. We can just go ahead and close this. We're going to be using a free key, but you can always convert your free key to a paid key in the future if you decide this is going to work for you. And this is pretty simple now. We're just going to go to create API key. It'll give you a name, and I'm going to choose the default Gemini API key. You can rename it. And you can also rename the project, create a new project. So if you want to work with specific manuscripts, you can name it as such. We'll create the key. And there it is. This is my private key, so please don't use it. It's a free one, so it doesn't matter. And I recommend saving your key in a Word document for later use. You can always go back to the console and collect it, but it's easier just to keep it in a Word document. And that's what the key looks like. All right, so we're ready to go back to the app. So I'm back inside the app. And now all we have to do is paste it in, save key. All right, you're ready to go. Key connected, it's been saved. We would now go back to the Workbench and you're ready to get to work.